going on, everybody? It's Tucker, and welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you guys being here. So before I forget, go down below, like, comment, definitely subscribe. You'll be notified anytime a new video comes out. Really helps me out, helps the channel out, so on and so forth. So today we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to go meet up with a good realtor buddy of mine, Steve, and he's got a razor, and we're going to get out of town a little bit for the day and go to a local area called Perkinsville and go do some droning. We want to just go get some cool footage. The weather's good, everything like that. So I'm going to stop and get a drink real quick, and then we're going to go meet up with Steve. So buckle up. Here we go. I already have my coffee, so don't worry. Prescott Valley's working on the road, and there's a huge dip in the road. That makes sense. thank you very much for watching. This was an absolute blast. Thanks to my buddy Steve over there. Say hi. So thanks so much, Steve. This was an absolute blast, and I had so much fun. So hope you enjoyed the content, and make sure to go down below, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. That was weird. This is odd doing in a parking lot. Dude! No way. Dude! Outs. Well, that was underwhelming. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos.